Hello everyone, my name is Prithvi Thumbo and this is our group presentation for the College Town Budget Skeleton. Now let's get into some background of this presentation. The city requires an infrastructure upgrade, but it has to deal with frequent property tax and utility rate increases. The council members demand a budget of alternative for both 500 and 250 new apartments per year, while emphasizing the importance of maintaining revenue exceeding expenses and avoiding debt exceeding 10 million. Now, this database is built in Excel and is structured with a distinct section including constant, inputs, calculation, and summary of key results. This breakdown provides a comprehensive overview of College Town Budget's financial position and performance. Here are the constants given to us. Inputs. These are all the calculations performed by us. And then income statement and cash flow statement made by us. This is the debt owed. And lastly, the summary of key results. Here are the scenarios performed in the scenario manager. So now, what are the implications of this? The choice of scenario significantly impacts financial health, liquidity, and varying levels of indebtedness of College Town budget. Increase in property tax and utility rates have notable effect on net income. Construction pace is critical factor in financial success. Here are the results of the scenario. So as we can see that the first two are optimistic and second two increase. Now, as we can see here, the net income increases every year. Cash on hand also increases each year. And the debt owed is also reduced significantly each year. This is an analysis shown in a graph of the net income, cash on hand, and debt owed year by year. So, what's the optimal solution out of it? Out of all the above results for 2022, positive net income less than 10 million of debt is in case of increase 2, in which construction is accelerated and there is increase in water selling price and electricity selling price by 1%, but there is no property tax. And finally, we have came to some recommendations for it. Careful consideration of assumptions and uncertainties associated with each scenario, assessing day-by-day operations and funding for the project, exploring strategies to minimize the tax and utility rates considering the concerns raised during council meeting, weighing the benefits of accelerated construction against political disruptions and community concerns, striving for balance between financial goals and public sentiments, further analyzing the sensitivity of key financial metrics to different assumptions, helping to identify potential risks, periodically reviewing and updating assumptions to ensure ongoing relevance and accuracy of the financial project. Thank you. This is our presentation from our group.